Hey everybody, this is Joel with Backroad Builds. Today I need to make some panels for some railing on a porch, and I need them to be exactly 90 degrees and everything to be square. So I'm going to set up my jig here like you've seen me do before in past videos, but we've never really explained how I do that. What I typically start with is a longer piece of angle iron, and I'll clamp that down to the long side of my table. Then I want to take a piece and come up the short side. So I kind of lay this against the end of the long one, and I'll just do a quick kind of eyeball along the table here so it's close to 90 degrees, but it's not going to be exact. And I'll clamp that down at this point in the corner. I call this kind of my hinge because we will go back and adjust that other end. Next thing I do is I take this piece of steel that I keep set aside, and if you've ever heard of the 3-4-5 rule, that is, you have 4 feet marked along one length, 3 feet along the other. You should have 5 feet across from point to point, and if you do that, you will have 90 degrees. So I keep this around, I cut it exactly to 5 feet, and I have a 3-foot mark here and a 4-foot mark here. So I'll come down the longer side and put a mark at 4 feet. Over here, put up to here, and a mark at 3 feet. Now when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're marking to the inside here where your material is going to lay up against. Then I'll take this piece, set it on top of the angle iron on both sides, get it close, and I take the point of the angle iron and get it right on that mark to the inside again where your frame is going to be touching. Now I'll come over here. I have to pull this out just a little. Again, we're going to get that on the inside, and we'll clamp that down. As simple as that, this is at 90 degrees. I can build any panel I want, and I shouldn't have to worry about it. But to double check, we can take our square, pull the square in, and there we are, right on the mark. So hopefully this trick will help you save time in setting up a jig for your next project.